So I just finished getting a haircut and the weather was so incredible down here in Sydney. This is our new local town that we're living in. I just had to show you this view. It's absolutely gorgeous. And yes, it did remind me of accountants, and I'll explain to you in a second here. If you look over there, you see Mount Baker's way off in distance. That's in the US, and there's Sydney Spit over there. Isn't that gorgeous? Just beautiful out today, and the sun's shining. The sun's just starting to set. And it reminded me, you know, we're at the end of, we're mid-February right now. So most of you in the accounting world are in the middle of the shit. You're in the shit, you're in the tax season, and then it's going to really ramp up in March, and then April's just going to go for the coup de grace. Just, it's going to be hellish and shitty. And what reminded me about what I wanted to share with you today is that, like, the weather's getting nice and you get to go outside and you enjoy it. But I remember when I had my accounting practice, and so for so many of you, is that the minute we get into the end of winter and it starts breaking into spring and the weather gets nice, you're stuck inside, working like dogs, putting in crazy hours, working for clients that are super price sensitive, doing tax returns. This is what we get in downtown Sydney. This is our idea of Harley Davidsons. You hear that? That was like a little scooter. It gives you an understanding how sleepy my town is. Instead of a big Harley, it's a scooter. It's more of a retirement town than anything else. But let me get back to this. This is about you. I hate seeing accountants suffer. And you're all suffering so much, and it's not necessary. Tax season does not have to suck. I'm just about to do a podcast tomorrow on the CPA trend lines. And that's the title of it. Tax season doesn't have to suck. It doesn't have to suck. You do not have to work ridiculous hours. I was just working with one of my clients today. We had the conversation and said, let's limit how many clients you're going to have. 100 corporate clients. Here's the price point. Here's the profit model. Boom, we're done. So you have limited amounts. So he's got this big raft of year ends that have to come in. December year ends. Love the December year ends. And I said, nuke them. We're going to offload them. We're going to send them to another accountant who's going to pay us so we don't have to do the work. And we're going to increase the prices on all the rest of the clients. He's going to have a reasonable workload. He's going to get paid incredibly well through a subscription model where he doesn't have to chase for bills. And he's going to get his freedom back. And he's going to be able to go out and enjoy this weather. And you know who I'm talking to because he's right up the coast from me and he loves being out on his boat. So that can be for you as well. So for this video is more like, if you're going into the tax season, it sucks. It totally sucks, but it doesn't have to. I can show you a way out. Get a free copy of my book from my website, ericsolbackincpa.com, or give me a call, send me an email, have a chat with me, see if the accountant success formula is right for you, because it just bothers me. I'm getting more and more frustrated and a little more vocal about this, that it's not necessary for accountants to suffer the way they do, because you don't need to suffer. We deserve more from our accounting profession, and you can have that. It's just about fixing the business model. The business model is the problem, not the clients, not you, definitely not you. It's the business model. That's what needs to be updated, and you can do it, and it's easy enough to do. It just takes a shift in mindset, a little bit of coaching along the way, which is what I can do for you. So there you go. So I'm Eric Solbackin, reminding you that when you take back control of your business model, you can take back control of your life. Stay tuned for more success tips to come.